Hello guys, today, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with HubSpot. To sign up for ConvertBox, click the link in the description below to try the program or get ConvertBox at a discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On the HubSpot integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your HubSpot account. From the header profile menu, select Integrations. Step 5. On the API key settings page, you will see your active API keys. If you don't see any API keys, you may need to create a new one. Copy your active API key from this page. Step 6. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for HubSpot. First, give the account a name that will easily identify it, then paste your HubSpot API key into the field below. Now click Connect to HubSpot to finish integrating your account.